Namaste. Hello, viewers. I, Kripa, from Kids Intelligence, hereby heartily welcome you all to the Superhero Fame Show. Kids Intelligence is supportive educational institute committed for students' brain development through various training programs. The foundation of this institute was laid by Mrs. Shweta Barve, who herself is a young entrepreneur, an educationist, as well as a nurturing mother. Kids Intelligence, a government recognized institute, which was commenced in the year 2009 with 7 students and 1 teacher. But today, Intelligence has reached its epitome by providing service to 30 plus team members and teachers through the service to students and parents. Right. Now, to proceed further with our superhero fame show, let us welcome Abir Barve and his parent, Mrs. Shweta Barve. Welcome, Abir. Welcome, Shweta ma'am. Welcome to the superhero fame show.
Hello.
So, Abir, आज इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आकर हाउ डू यू फील? What is your feeling today?
Great.
Great. Okay. Same here. Feeling great to have you as a superhero. Okay. So, Abir, can you please tell what is your age? आपकी
8.
उम्र क्या है अभी?
8
Sorry.
years old.
8.
8 years.
Okay. And which level of Abacus you are appearing?
7th level.
7th level. Okay, great. Okay, so Mrs. Shweta Barve, can you please tell us, right since from level 1 up to level 7, how has been your journey with Kids Intelligence?
The journey has been really great. Abir has improved a lot on maths, and initially he didn't like maths much in first standard, and we started in pandemic around in December. First standard में when December vacations were going on, Christmas vacations, तभी हम लोगों ने start किया. और उसके बाद जैसे जैसे उसके levels होते गए तो he started taking more interest in Abacus.
Okay. Which year did you start with Kids Intelligence?
2020.
Okay. So अभी तक आपका सफर Kids Intelligence के साथ कैसा रहा?
Excellent.
Okay, great to hear this, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so ये जो आपके एक्सपर्ट अबैकस टीचर हैं, टीचर रिया खानेकर, इनका इनपुट आपके हिसाब से कैसा है?
She is really great teacher, very patient with kids, explains everything really nicely. Excellent. Yeah, excellent. He looks forward to have the class every time, and yeah, whenever there is any difficulty, she always solves the things, and yeah, very nice. She's really great. And the best, she doesn't scold me. I'm not critical.
Okay. So, श्वेता मैम, अभी आपने बताया कि अबीर जो है वो 3rd ग्रेड में है और लेवल 7th अबैकस पहुंच चुका है. तो इस बीच में स्कूल एजुकेशन और अबैकस ट्रेनिंग के बीच में आपको कोई कनेक्शन या डिस्टर्बेंस महसूस होता है?
ऐसे कुछ मतलब नहीं हुआ हम लोग के साथ, क्योंकि फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में उसने स्टार्ट किया तभी प्लस माइनस ऐसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऐसे स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ था, सिर्फ एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन था. तो it helped really because the education was going on parallel track. And now when he's in 3rd standard and division multiplication started, so he's already advanced and he's doing it mentally. So in fact helping him in school education. Okay. And he can even tell about it better. Yeah.
Okay, Abir, so we would like to hear from you.
There is a huge gap, like in a good way, between Abacus and school. I can solve school problems in half of a minute, literally, and Abacus I need a little bit of time to solve them. But in schoolwork, it has helped a lot, and I've got 20 out of 20 on every math exam so far.
Okay, great. Okay, so श्वेता मैम, जो रिया खानेकर एक्सपर्ट अबैकस टीचर हैं, उन्होंने आपको बताया होगा कि अबैकस ट्रेनिंग के साथ प्रैक्टिस का कितना इम्पोर्टेंस है, तो इस बात पे आपका क्या कहना है?
Yeah, actually it's kind of brain exercise. Abacus is kind of brain exercise. If you do exercise every day, little bit also, when whatever, like around 15-20 sums per day, it helps to be in that track all the time. Otherwise, मैंने अबीर के साथ ये देखा है कभी कभी बिकॉज ऑफ सम अदर एग्जाम और कुछ अगर घर में कोई फंक्शन हो ये हो 2-3 दिन प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया तो फोर्थ डे पे he'll go little slow on the solving sums. पर अगर एवरीडे प्रैक्टिस होता है तो 10 मिनट्स में 20 sums हो जाते हैं उससे. So yeah, it's like you have
So
to
you
practice.
strongly, so you strongly believe कि practice और training hand in hand होना चाहिए. सिर्फ ट्रेनिंग से नहीं होता, प्रैक्टिस भी करना बहुत जरूरी है.
And Riya teacher taught us what the practice was, not just
Okay. Okay, so Abir and Abir's parent Shweta ma'am, आपकी जो जर्नी है so far with kids intelligence and expert abacus teacher रिया घानेकर के साथ, उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Riya is really good. Like Riya, I know her through a friend, and मैंने अबीर ने मुझे कोई तो एक वीडियो देख के छोटा था तभी बोला था कि मुझे abacus सीखना है. So I thought like no, let's ask her. मुझे पता नहीं था she is connected to kids intelligence. मुझे लगता था कि she is just taking classes, abacus classes. Then she told me that kids intelligence is like they are government recognized and they give the exams are there for every level and very systematic training. So after that I was adamant on okay fine, I have to go with them only, and she's been very supportive throughout the journey.
true.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Okay, lastly Mrs. Barve, would you like to give any message to our viewers and the other parents of kids intelligence?
I think whoever wants to learn abacus, they should trust the teachers and blindly trust the teachers, because I think looking at Riya, all the teachers are really good, and practice and training both in, and it's not very difficult to do. It's very easy in fact, but you just need to keep doing it and keep practicing, and you'll get through it for sure. And it will obviously help you for your further math journey if anyone is really interested. Throughout the school is going to be there, but after that also if someone is interested is obviously going to help.
ओके, सो श्वेता मैम, ये जो आपने बताया कि प्रैक्टिस भी करना जरूरी है और ट्रेनिंग आपको रिया घानेकर मैम की तरफ से मिलती है, तो एज अ पेरेंट आपका कितना इनपुट है प्रैक्टिस के लिए?
See, Diya's work is like कि जब भी वो क्लास खत्म होता है तो immediately she sends a message all every day, every time, like every once in a week that these are the worksheets you have to do as a homework. So I generally do is like कि उसने जब अगर 5 sheets दिए हैं तो I bifurcate it in two or half of something and tell Abir that इतना homework है, you have to finish it. He takes interest. Sometimes he becomes little lazy and tell me, no mama, I don't want to do it today. Sometimes that happens, not always, but then I have to push little bit. No, you have to do. Then I have to give him thoda sa gyan. No, you have to do it because it's exercise. If you don't do it, tomorrow your sums will be wrong or something like that. But he does then after that. But kids intelligence ka exam method is so good that every time after exam, whoever scores more marks, they sing gold medal. And for that one gold medal, kids study every time whenever they have. So it's really a nice system and it always encourages kids also.
ओके, सो आपका ये मानना है कि प्रैक्टिस के दौरान पेरेंट का इनपुट होना बहुत जरूरी है?
Yeah, he wants to say something.
Yes, Abir?
But almost for every level I've done until 6th, I've got a gold medal. I don't know.
Because you did well, I guess.
So you deserve a big hand. Clap for you. Okay, so श्वेता मैम, ये जो किड्स इंटेलिजेंस का जो सिस्टम है, पहले ट्रेनिंग होता है जो एक्सपर्ट अबैकस टीचर लेते हैं, ट्रेनिंग के साथ साथ पेरेंट्स का इनपुट और फिर उसके बाद एग्जामिनेशन, जो ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट किया जाता है किड्स इंटेलिजेंस की तरफ से, तो ये जो एंटायर सिस्टम है, इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
इट्स रियली गुड, क्योंकि अगर एग्जाम होता है तो बच्चे थोड़ा क्या मुझे वो गोल्ड मेडल चाहिए इसके लिए प्रैक्टिस भी करते हैं। और जब भी एग्जाम डिक्लेयर होता है तो रिया हम लोग को पूरा सिलेबस भेजते हैं, तो देन दे स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग कि हाँ इतना ये सम्स आ रहे हैं, ये मुझे नहीं आ रहा है तो आई हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दिस वन मंथ बिफोर हैंड, लाइक आई नो दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू कम, तो मुझे प्रैक्टिस करना है, एंड दैट इज काइंड ऑफ एनकरेजमेंट। और देन वी आर ऑल्सो श्योर कि जो 3 months में सिखाया है वो बच्चों को आ रहा है, एंड देन दे आर गोइंग फॉरवर्ड विद द प्रॉपर नॉलेज वॉट एवर दे गॉट फॉर 3 months. So the system is really good, and of course that helps kids also to know what they know and they are going to learn later on.
ओके, तो ये जो ट्रेनिंग से लेकर एग्जाम तक का जो प्रोसेस है, इससे आप सेटिस्फाइड हैं?
Very satisfied.
Okay. Okay, so Abir and Abir's parent, Mrs. Shweta Barve, आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को और बाकी जो हमारे किड्स इंटेलिजेंस के पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आप उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं?
Do you want to give some message?
Yes.
Yes, Abir, please come up with your message so that other students can take inspiration from you.
Practice makes perfect.
Okay, good. Yeah. ओके श्वेता मैम, सो आप कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगे किड्स इंटेलिजेंस के पेरेंट्स, स्टूडेंट्स और हमारे व्यूअर्स को?
Trust your teacher and keep practicing. Teachers are really good at kids intelligence and they have nice system also
And
to
they're
follow.
patient.
They are patient also, of course. So
Unlike some school teachers.
so yeah, so you trust them, and your kid's future is in really great hands.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the day. Thank you, Abir. Thank you, Shweta Barve ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Riya Ghanekar ma'am. Thank you, Kids Intelligence, and thank you all the viewers.